Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Semiya Payasam. Payasam or Kheer, as we all famously know, is very dear to us. Be it a big or small occasion, a lot of us tend to prepare Kheer instantly and serve our family or friends. So today I'm going to share a very different Kheer recipe. This is caramel Semiya Kheer. Well, it sounds interesting, isn't it? So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For the caramel Semiya Kheer, that is the caramel Vermicelli Kheer, first we're going to boil the milk. So I've taken 1 liter of whole milk, that is the full cream milk. Once the milk comes to a good boil, turn off the stove. Take about 1 cup of boiled milk and keep it aside. Next, to make the caramel syrup, to a saucepan, add about 1 cup of white granulated sugar. So I've taken the measurement of a 250 ml cup. So maintaining the flame on a medium, let the sugar dissolve gradually. You can just mix it once or twice and you can see the color change. The sugar is gradually caramelizing. Once the sugar has caramelized completely and it's got this lovely golden brown color, gradually start adding the milk little at a time and continuously mix it so it's all well combined. So this has to be done very carefully, otherwise the milk can curdle up. Add the remaining milk and mix everything together. Just make sure that the caramel is completely dissolved and blended along with the milk. So now we have the caramel milk. You can check for sweetness at this point, and if you do think you want a little more sweeter or if you want to add a little more sugar, you can just add a little sugar and adjust the sweetness according to your taste. So let the milk boil for just about a minute or so. Turn off the stove and keep this aside. To a pan, add a little ghee. Add a few cashew nuts. Once the cashew nuts have come to a nice golden color, add some raisins. Once the raisins have plumped up, remove the cashew nuts and raisins from the pan and keep it aside. The next step is to cook the vermicelli, that is the semiya. So to the pan, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. I've taken 1 250 ml cup of the vermicelli. Add that to the pan. Roast it for about 2 minutes on medium-low flame. So even if you've bought a roasted vermicelli from the store, you must roast it at least for about a minute or so. Now that we've roasted the vermicelli, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So you can see the vermicelli is beginning to cook in the water. So when the vermicelli is almost 90% cooked, I'm adding the 1 cup of milk that I've kept aside. Add the milk and mix everything well. Continue to cook the vermicelli, that is the semiya. Once the vermicelli is completely cooked, add the caramel milk and mix everything well. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Mix it along with the payasam. Cook the mixture for about 5 minutes on medium flame so it all comes together beautifully. So after 5 minutes, you can see the caramel Semiya Payasam is ready to be served. Now this flavor is very different. It's got that lovely caramel flavor and it's very different from the usual payasam that we make at home. I would recommend this and I would say it's a must try, guys. Make sure you follow all the tips and steps to get it perfectly. I will give you other payasam recipes that I've made earlier in the description. I'll give you a couple of links, you can check them out as well. This payasam is perfect for any occasion, so make sure you try it and share your comments in the comment section. I can't tell you how rich and delicious this caramel kheer is. It's definitely a step up from the usual or the regular kheers that we prepare with plain sugar. So do give it a try sometime and enjoy it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.